Hey everyone, today we shall start a journey where we shall build an e-commerce API using Django Ninja. Django Ninja is a web framework for building APIs with Django. It has a number of features. The first is that it is very easy to use with little thought. You don't have to think a lot while using this. It is also fast to execute thanks to Pydantic and asynchronous support. It is fast to code due to the type hints, and automatic documentation allows you to focus only on the business logic. Django Ninja is open API standard based, okay? It is Django friendly, meaning it has good integration with the Django core and ORM, and this is specifically what made me to start using it. Also, it is production ready and a number of companies using it. Have a look at the benchmarks. The black is for Django Ninja, the light blue or just blue is for Flask with Marshmallow, and then the green is for Django REST framework. So you see that Django Ninja is doing well. So let's go ahead and install Django Ninja. Of course, make sure you've already installed Django. Pip install Django, and I already have that in my virtual environment. So next up, you have to do pip install Django Ninja, okay, like that. So it should take a short time and it's done. So I want now to start a project, okay? So I'll say Django admin, start project, e-commerce, like that. And then I'll open this in VS Code, okay? And then I can quickly open a terminal. So let me try to open a terminal quickly, and then I can cancel all this and create a new app and say Python manage.py start app store. Okay, then we can go to the installed apps and register this app, and this will be store config. If you don't understand this, I explain this in my Django course. You can check one of my cards, okay, or a link in the description. In the next video, we shall look at models.